In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign to automate signatures in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, this guide will help you streamline your document signing process with ease. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Docusign's website. Docusign is highly regarded as the #1 tool for electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, making it a go-to for many businesses around the world. Once you are on the website, the next step is to locate the Login button, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. You'll need to provide your login credentials, so make sure you've got those handy. If you don't have an account yet, you'll have to sign up before proceeding. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Docusign home. This is the hub where all your document-related activities take place. From here, find the Admin button, click it to access the administrative features. These features are key to managing configurations and setting up automations, so it's important to familiarize yourself with this area if you plan to make the most out of Docusign's capabilities. Now, in the admin section, you'll see an option labeled Connect. Clicking on Connect will lead you to a page where you can add new configurations. Here, integrations with other platforms can be set up, making your document workflows even smoother and more connected. Next, you'll see an Add Configuration button. This is where you'll configure the systems with which you want Docusign to integrate. By clicking on this, you're opening up endless possibilities for automating how Docusign interacts with other systems you use. For today's purposes, we're focusing on setting up a connection with Salesforce, a powerful customer relationship management platform often used in tandem with Docusign for seamless handling of contracts and signatures. Click on Salesforce to begin setting up that integration. This setup allows Docusign to work within your Salesforce environment, facilitating effortless document sending and signing right from the Salesforce interface. This integration can save you a significant amount of time by reducing the need to switch between different applications, making document management far more efficient. And that's it. You've now successfully set up Docusign to automate signatures, specifically integrating it with Salesforce. This step-by-step process should simplify your document workflow significantly, allowing you to focus more on your business and less on paperwork. Remember, the key to automation is in these types of integrations that make things flow more naturally and save time. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for other helpful tips and tutorials.